Okay, here's the thing. We're up here at Versailles State Park, you know, the park that Angie and I practically live in. And we was gonna go fishing today, but it's a little hot right now. So we may just do it tomorrow morning. But there's a place in this park that we've never, ever really explored yet. It's another fishing spot that we keep saying we're gonna go over here, walk it back there, see if it's doable, see what we see. We're doing it now, and you guys are coming with me. As you see where I had to park my car, the whole idea is, I'm hoping, let me swing around down this road, and it looks like it goes down a little hill. It may be a spot to pull off and park a car. And right outside there is where we're going to fish. And Mr. Kitt is trying to pull my arm off right now. That's okay, he's never been over here before. Hell, I don't think we've ever walked over here before, have we? If we've actually walked over here, it's been a long, long time ago. We forgot. As far as I know, we've never been to this spot here in this park, which is extremely rare. You have no clue how rare that is. Sorry, I'm looking. Okay, let me show you the road, what I see so far. It's very doable. Well, we're going to hit these trees, but the top of the pine hit the trees, but it almost looks like it circles around. Let's get down here and take a peek, guys. Keep your fingers crossed. Hell, keep your toes crossed. I see lots of people fishing on this side. Well, there you go. It does circle around, and there may be a spot to pull off. Let's go see what the arrangements are. How hard it would be to get down there. We will not be doing this, obviously, until Angie's leg heals up. But it ain't going to hurt to at least go looks. To be completely honest with you, I was hoping to fish today, but I was also hoping to fish underneath the shade tree. And I was hoping to fish at one of my favorite spots. Well, there's people there fishing now, and they got the shade trees, which is mighty fine. I don't blame them. Okay, we're getting close up here, and we're going to see what it looks like. 'Cause right now, I couldn't tell you. Well, I guess that's one way to get in there. Let's walk a little bit this way. And you got to go down a little teeny trail right here. Oh, hell. This definitely would not be doable for you right now. Let's take a peek. Yeah, it flattens out pretty much right down there, but if you can see right over there, that's where we fish at. Them 3 trees is one of our favorite spots, and he is pulling me. We're not going down in there, kid. No, honey. Now, this looks like there's a spot down that way that we have fished at, and it looks pretty much like this. Hell, I hate to say it, hon. No. You don't like this, do you? You don't like this at all. It's doable to drive down here. It's also doable to find a place to pull off. And yes, you have access to the lake. But make damn sure that you got strong knees. Yeah, because Angie does not right now. And it's doable. It looks very private. This place gets a lot of people. It's just about every time we fish here, there's somebody there. I'm surprised nobody's there now. Yeah, I can honestly say I don't think we've ever been here. The road goes right around into a circle, right down through here. You can park a vehicle anywhere right through there. And the other side, way over there, is similar to this. Very similar. Let me turn around. And it goes right up that hill. The other side's identical to this, really. Easier to get to it, though. Oh, stay out of that bug's way, kid. Don't try to bite it, no. My puppy doesn't understand bees can hurt. Went fishing last night. I kind of mentioned that last video, and I meant to put this in the last video. Caught a nice sized carp. My newest friend, Drew, was there when I caught it. So, I forgot to put it in the graveyard video, but I put it in this one. All right, guys, we're going to take out of here, go back to the car, and we're going to probably look for graveyards on the way home. Yeah, spot them out. Still early. Maybe drive around the lake one more time, see if the people left. You hear that? Hold on, guys. There's deer in there, I bet you.
Deer or Bigfoot?
Bigfoot. Yeah, the reason we're making so many jokes about Bigfoot, you've heard it
I think it was
in a, oh hell, I did a YouTube short because I've been watching a lot of Finding Bigfoot lately, again, reruns. And we're making a lot of jokes about Bigfoot.
I think it was just a bird.
Yeah, a bird. We also had a raccoon about an hour ago come up to us out of nowhere. Of course, we ain't stupid enough to try to feed him or her. Don't ever do that, guys. If you ever have a squirrel, a raccoon, any wild animal come up, and don't ever try to feed them because you will get bit. I have to move this up a little bit. You will get bit. And then you have to go get rabies shots. Rabies shots is no fun, y'all. I had to get them when I was a kid. I had got bitten by a rat. And I had to get rabies shots in my stomach. So, I wouldn't advise that. Alright guys, today's a small video. We want to check out another spot to fish. And, yeah, it's doable. But not for us right now. Maybe, just maybe, in the summer, maybe then. I want my wife's knee to heal up a lot better. Right now, if she get down there, she'll never get out. Hell, she may not even be able to get down there. Till next time, guys, thanks for watching. By the way, we are still on vacation. I know there's lots of videos coming out. They will be until our vacation's over with. You gotta remember, I put a video up Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And our vacation was a total of what, 8 days? So that's over 2 weeks of videos from vacation alone. Alright guys, we'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.